Liminal Space Sunglasses 2025. Are these the future of immersive entertainment? Get ready for a mind-blowing reveal as we dive into the revolutionary Liminal Space Sunglasses, recently showcased at Disney's 2025 Accelerator Program. Imagine walking through Disney parks, wearing what looks like ordinary shades, only to have them transform into cutting-edge XR glasses as you encounter special screens. This isn't isolating VR. It's a shared, augmented reality experience where you can see Rocket from Guardians of the Galaxy seemingly alive in front of you, or literally step into a Van Gogh painting, feeling snowflakes drift around you. The experience is so vivid, you'll feel like you're truly falling into the Avatar world, yet without the nausea often associated with heavy VR headsets. These groundbreaking glasses leverage MicroLED technology to create stunning holographic 3D displays, offering far superior immersion compared to traditional 3D theme park glasses. Liminal Space claims they're cheap to produce, hinting at a future where every park guest could have their own pair, seamlessly blending the real world with digital enhancements. Discover why Disney is so invested in this game-changing tech, promising magical, surprising, and truly immersive adventures for everyone. Don't miss out on this incredible innovation. Check the links in the description to explore similar future tech now.